Hi everyone, today I will show you how to change car um, air filter and cabin filter. So this is our air filter and this is cabin filter, also called poly filter. So this is my Hyundai i40. So this is air filter going over here, pretty easy. So this is our new filter. So first thing, we need to open this. Two brackets over here, one on this side and one on the other side. This is my old filter, so you can see how much dirt in it. I will open the new one. It's pretty easy. Yeah, just place inside. So first we click from this side. Now other side. First clip and second clip. That's job done. And this is our old one, dirty one. So now first part done. I will show you the another one, cabin filter, how to change that. So this is our poly filter, cabin filter. So that's a new one. I will show you how to replace that. So that poly filter, cabin filter, we're changing from here. So open your glove box and then these two plastic screw, we need to remove that. Remove first one. Second one. So you can clearly see our cabin filter going inside this bracket, the plastic bracket. So we open that two plastic screw from here. So that's why the gloves box totally open. So that's it behind the gloves box. It's very easy to press that one and remove from other side. So that's our cabin filter. So I'm going to remove that. Oh, look at how dirty. You can clearly see how much dirt inside. So that dirt all coming from outside, and just look how we're breathing in a car. So I will show you the right one. So that's our new one. So you can clearly see that's our new poly filter and that's old one. How dirty is that? So I recommend change every year, especially when you done your car service. It's pretty easy. You can save money as well. Just buy from Autodoc. It's cost only £4, or buy from your car part. This part. That's basically depend on your budget, you can buy Bosch one as well. That's bit expensive, like £8, £9. So look, see the big difference. That's our new one, and that's old one. Look, the dirt inside. So that cabin filter in every single car. So now it's time to replace that filter. So you can see that arrow as well. So this sign showing which side is going first, up or down. Yeah, that's it. That's totally set. So we'll put that cover back on. So now that plastic piece going back on it. Just little click. Yeah, that's job done. So what to do next? Just fix that gloves box. Remember, two plastic screws we removed from here. So that plastic screw going back in a place. Two plastic screws going back over there. First one done. Now the second one going on the other side. Yeah, that all fixed.